Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. We hope you're listening to this in a relaxed moment. Whether you're at home, on the way somewhere, or maybe while doing your homework.
This read because student topic honestly something that almost every student can relate to.
When we talk about school, the first thing that usually comes to our mind are grades, ranking, exam, and achievement.
But have you ever felt 10% and overwhelmed yet still left like you had to look pain in front of everyone? That's what we're going to talk about today: academic first and teen mental healthy.
So the question is the school still a safe place for our mental health? Or has it become one of the biggest sources of pressure in our lives?
Makes the discussion more interesting and not just from our perspective. Today we're joined by three guests with different personalities and experiences.
Alright, let me introduce myself first. Hi, I am Zahra, the first host of this podcast. I am careful and energetic person. I like it a lot, but inshallah I try to stay positive and grounded. As a student, I've also experienced academic pressure myself.
Hello everyone, I am Ragil, the second host. People say I am fun, but I still like to think seriously to have a flight that can I being smart. And honestly, this topic is very close to our daily life as students.
So, in this podcast, we want to have an honest, relaxed, and real conversation.
Now, let's get to know our guests one by one.
Let's start with our first guest.
Hi everyone, my name is Della. I'm a quiet person, but I take school seriously. I often feel the pressure to always achieve good academic results.
Alright, quit but grateful. Thank you for being here, Della.
Next, we have.
Hi, I am Adit. I am usually seen as someone who jokes around and loves relax. But honestly, I also think a lot about grades and my future. I just don't always show it.
Is a good spell of how person is always visible.
And our last guest.
Hello, I am Yuli. I am shy and quiet and tend to keep my feeling to myself, including the failure and fail from school.
Thank you, Yuli. Sometimes the quiet and faithful car does have us together.
Alright, now that we all know each other,
Let's jump into our main discussion.
let's start from the basic. And your opinion, what does academic pressure look like?
It's the pressure to always get good grades and never let them drop.
So it's like if your grade go down even one key, it's already a big failure.
Yes, and it also makes you afraid of making mistakes.
Who do you think fails this process the most?
All students, whether they considered smart or just average.
High achieving students are also exhausted because they're afraid they can't maintain the performance.
So the pressure might be different, but the exhaustion feels the same. At what moment does the pressure feel the heaviest?
Before exam, especially big and important ones.
Or when grades are worse?
Yes, especially when compression starts.
Where does this pressure usually come from?
From school, from home, and now from social media.
So it just didn't stop in the classroom.
Even during breaks, we're still thinking about assignments.
Why does academic pressure affect mental health so deeply?
Because grades are often used as the main measure of success.
When grades are bad, you immediately feel like you're not smart.
Even though intelligence is just number.
But cell number aren't what people focus on the most.
What's the most realistic way to deal with this process?
As we think that we don't have to be perfect.
Being brave enough to tell instead of keeping everything said.
And creating an environment that understands to the mental condition.
If you had the cause, which one is usually prioritized? More achievement or mental health?
Honestly, achievements.
And mental health only gets attention when things are the serious.
What kind of pressure is often underestimated but actually very heavy?
Being told out here student can do it, so you should too.
Our comments like it just that why we are you so strict.
Social media affect the academic first year.
Very much saying other people achievement makes you feel left behind.
Even though we don't know their struggles. One message for students who are feeling exhausted right now.
You are not a failure.
Feeling tired is human.
And moving slow is okay.
From today's discussion, we've learned that academic force is real and experienced by many thinkers.
School need to become safer space, parents need to listen to more, and students need to be more honest with samples.
Because the future is not about what moves the past.
Learning is journey, not a race. Thank you for listening.